Welcome to 5140 Wheeler Way in Pensacola, Florida. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home is 2,400 square feet and it is located 25 minutes to NAS, 20 minutes to Corry Station, and 30 minutes to beautiful Pensacola Beach. We have all brick exterior with hardy plank accents, gutters, as well as hurricane coverings for added protection. We have a nice additional guest parking space up here. Nice bonus feature, as well as keyless entry and a Nest thermostat. So wonderful smart home upgrades on this house. So coming into the foyer here, on our right hand side we have our formal dining space. There are tray ceilings in here as well. It is suitable for a table that seats 6 people. And just across the way here we have an office space. It does have a tray ceiling as well. This would make for an awesome home gym, 5th bedroom if you needed that additional space as well. There is beautiful wood look tile throughout this entire living space with carpet in the bedrooms. Nice open floor plan with high ceilings and recessed lighting. The kitchen has a breakfast bar suitable for 4, granite countertops, 5-burner gas cooktop with a fridge with ice and water dispenser. And I love this bonus feature over here. We have this wonderful additional cabinet space, makes for a great serving area, and this wonderful paneless window here that has great views of the backyard. I just think that is such a nice feature. All right, first I'm going to take you over into the primary suite, which is located on the opposite side of the home, which allows for some privacy for the master suite. So very spacious in here. This is a king size bed, and as you can see, there is plenty of additional space. So if you needed to fit a Peloton or a treadmill or something like that in here, you have definitely have the space for that here. Into the primary bathroom, we have a double granite vanity with a wonderful oversized soaking tub here. It is quite a bit larger than what you typically see, with a walk-in shower and a water closet for some privacy. And into the closet here, very spacious. So awesome walk-in closet in the primary suite. There are blinds throughout this home as well, another awesome feature to have. And I didn't point out in the kitchen, but the owners had told me that above the cabinets in there, it is wired for lighting above the cabinetry. Into the laundry room, we have our garage access, as well as this double-sided closet for additional storage. And this flows right back into the formal dining space from the kitchen. All right. Into the living room, they have gone ahead and added some custom tile mosaic to the surrounding the fireplace. The fireplace is also has a gas ignite and it is wood burning. And we do have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom on the front side of the house here. And into the hall bathroom. This bathroom has granite countertops with a shower tub combo, and there is a linen closet in the hallway as well. And into our 3rd bedroom here. Adequate closet space in all the bedrooms too. And then I love this feature for a guest space. It kind of gives them a little bit more privacy away from the 2 additional bedrooms. So this is located on the back side of the house. And there are 2 exits to the backyard, this being one of them, which is great if you were interested in adding a swimming pool. You can come right into this 3rd bathroom and kind of use this as a pool bath. So this bathroom also has granite countertops and a shower tub combo. And then our fourth and final bedroom on the back side of the house. Nice for guests to be able to have their own access to the patio as well. But I'm gonna take you out through the main French doors that lead to the covered lanai. They have created a really nice hangout space back here. We do have 2 outdoor ceiling fans. And here's our door again that goes to the hall over there that I just showed you. Fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. We have 2 gardening beds over here in the corner. And just off to the right, we have an awesome little hangout fire pit area, perfect for entertaining family and friends. So I'll go ahead and take you back in and give you another peek at the main living area and kitchen. If you have any questions about this one, please let us know. If you'd like to set up a private showing, we would love to show you this gorgeous home. Again, this is 5140 Wheeler Way in Pensacola, Florida.